everybody. The Honorable Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research, the Director General of the Ministry of National Education and representing the Minister of Higher Education, of National Education, Madame, the Board Director of the ETP, the English Teaching Program, and of course, Madame, the ETP Director. And most of all, Access graduates. It is an absolute pleasure to be here with you today to mark this special day. I look around the room at all of you and I can feel your energy and your enthusiasm. And what more, I know that your commitment to learning English will enable you to apply that energy, that enthusiasm, that hope toward a promising future for yourselves individually, but also for Madagascar as a whole. The Access program is one of the most successful initiatives we have around the world to promote the learning of the English language. Through this program, the United States government has provided scholarships to more than 100,000 students between the ages of 13 to 20 from 85 countries around the world in order to help them build a solid foundation in English. I am happy to say that we are adding to that impressive number today here in Madagascar, and I want to thank our local partner in this endeavor, the English Teaching Program, for their dedication and commitment to this work. Thank you. And so, congratulations to all of our Access graduates on finishing your Access course. I know that it was a lot of hard work and required a major commitment of time and effort on your part. I hope that it was also a lot of fun. I also would like to congratulate the parents here today. Parents, these young people are hard workers who have shown a strong desire to get a good education and use it to better serve their families and their country. These are qualities that are passed down to them from you, the parents.
Tina yakuli arabana ray aman-dreny manokana androany satria reo ankizy reo dia mazoto tia miezaka mikiry amin'ny fianarana ary kiasika mba hanatsara ny fiainana sy ny fiainana sy ny fiainana miangonana. Izany dia zavatra nilovainy taminareo ray aman-dreny ka dia miarabanareo koa amin'izany.
In a few minutes, there will be lots of applause for the Access graduates. In a few minutes, there will be lots of applause for the Access graduates as we hand out their certificates. Right now, though, can I ask the graduates to take a moment to thank their parents for supporting them through this process by giving them a round of applause.
Afaka minitra vitsy dia isy tehaka amin'ny rivodrivotra atao isaky ny anoloana ny sertifika ho an'ireto mpianatra vita fianarana reto, fa izao kosa angatahana izy ireo mba hanokana segondra vitsivitsy hiarabana sy isorana indray aman-dreny ka hamerina hitehaka mafimafy ireo indray.
Access graduates have made a fantastic decision when you chose to learn a foreign language. Over the course of your studies, you learned not just a whole new set of words. You learned about a new culture. You met new people, learned new ways of thinking. And you learned about what America has in common with Madagascar and what is unique about each place. Learning a new language helps us all open our minds and seeing anew the world that we live in. And learning English has opened up new possibilities for you. English is the language of the internet. You can surf the web, meet new friends on Facebook, Google your favorite singer, read the news, and do research for a college paper or a job interview. There is so much information out there waiting for you, so much of it in English, and therefore now accessible to you. And I believe English is important for the future of Madagascar. I like to say that if you can speak Malagasy and French and English, the opportunities for you are endless. I repeat, the opportunities for you are endless. So many countries in this part of the world are either Anglophone or Francophone. So if you can speak both, you have a major advantage over your neighbors, and you open doors to new opportunities that others might not be able to take advantage of. In the United States, we call a graduation ceremony a commencement. And as thousands of graduation speakers have said before, commencement means beginning. This is just the beginning of your relationship with English and with the United States. So once again, I would like to say congratulations on a job well done. I expect that somewhere in this crowd are a future president, a future minister, a future ambassador, or future high-tech entrepreneur. You are a group with great potential, and you should be very proud. Thank you for inviting me to speak today and to be part of your special day. Good luck to all of you as you continue to master this language, which can sometimes be hard and confusing, but is always beautiful, always changing, and is the best tool we have for helping people around the world share ideas. Thank you so much.